That's the only thing they care about because they're going to rent the property. And what's the market value of the home? Based on comps, conditions, those two. That's what they want, right? That's why the comps, they can pull themselves. The conditions, this is what's going to tell them about the conditions right here, right? Photos, pictures don't lie. Pictures are worth 1,000 what?
Words.
All right. Okay. So do it in person. What questions do you have about this property condition report? Because a lot of agents are not even getting this far. This is the easy part.
This is just more of a general, and not that I don't think it really matters one way or the other, but in your experience, do you find people respond better? Do you do this do you print this out, or do you just do it like online?
I've done both, and I don't know which way works better because both of them worked.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm the Tony Robbins guy. Tony Robbins says when you get people to write stuff down, you put stuff in their head. That's why we should all be writing stuff down, not putting notes on our cell phones. Because most of the notes on our cell phones are never going to happen. Right. So I'll try both ways, and both ways have worked. So I don't have any doubt. All right. So any other questions about this product condition?
When you do it online, are they they're actually walking into the kitchen?
Oh, when I do it online, I'm with them. Like I just have my laptop.
I got you.
I'm not sorry, y'all. I'm not leaving it up to them to get me 10 racks.
Right. Okay.
No. That's like doing a virtual date with a girl. No, we're going out.
Okay, you're in person.
You gotta see my car's clean. That type of stuff, right? In person. In person. I know y'all in this virtual world now, and everybody want to do stuff non-people. But the way to do business is face-to-face. That's how you do business. So you try to get face-to-face as much as possible. You ain't that busy where you can pass up $10,000. I'm sorry, you ain't that busy.
That's not long.
I would imagine that this kind of brings to light too, because when the people are actually going through and checking out the conditions, even though they may say initially that their home is worth 300,000, when you really get down to it, it's like, okay, you're there and you're checking the condition of their appliances, the floor, what have you. So that should bring a realization to them too.
Absolutely. Plus, you guys, if you follow my listing presentation, because I recorded it and you guys all have access. One of the pieces of paper I showed them, it says 3 prices to buy a home, Miss Mullen. Have a price based on comps. That's what you're talking about. Condition, that's what the pictures are going to show. And then thirdly, what are buyers willing to pay? What are investors willing to pay? What are billion-dollar banks willing to pay? What Miss McGillicuddy down the street is willing to pay? Right? All right. Do it in person.